Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video. My this video is about some very beautiful and very amazing kind of footwears which looks very pretty and beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very nice black color heel. It's the very low heighted heel, and this one is also a very nice, beautiful golden and silver flat footwear, which looks very pretty and very beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of heel. It's in a beige color, which looks very pretty and the very amazing kind of designs. And watch this video till the end. Then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting, more beautiful, and more pretty. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of heel in a red color along with some very pretty designs. And this is a slipper. It's very cute and very beautiful. And as you see, this one is also a very nice heel. It's like appropriate for wedding kind of occasions. And as you know, you can wear such beautiful kind of heels in every occasion, like it's a wedding, it's a birthday party, or the normal casual routine. You can wear these here and with your every kind of outfits, like it's eastern or it's western. It looks really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make it more beautiful and more pretty and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very pretty kind of like the very low heighted heel and the block and skew kind of heel that's very comfortable and very beautiful also. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care.